This is a Minn Kota CoPilot remote, and this is a Minn Kota iPilot remote. Both of these remotes will work with a Minn Kota Powerdrive or Riptide Powerdrive, but what is the difference? In this video, I'm going to be covering everything you need to know about the differences and pros and cons of CoPilot and iPilot, and hopefully help you make up your mind on which one would work best for you. So CoPilot and iPilot are both add-on accessories for the Powerdrive and Riptide Powerdrive. Starting with CoPilot, this is the newest version of the CoPilot system. It works with Bluetooth models, which started being manufactured in 2017. Inside is the remote, the lanyard, and this little receiver that's going to go inside of your side plate and plug into your control board where your foot pedal would normally plug in. Now, the older version of the CoPilot system is for V2 models that were manufactured between 2007 and 2016. It's a little bit different than the Bluetooth version. The receiver is this big old side plate that's going to mount over the top of your existing side plate, but it's still going to plug in the same way. So what does the CoPilot system actually do? All CoPilot really does is add a wireless remote control to your motor. On the CoPilot remote, you're going to have the exact same controls as your foot pedal has: speed, steering, and prop control functions. So no additional features are actually added to the motor. And now for iPilot. iPilot's going to actually add features to your motor. The brains of the iPilot system are in this controller that's going to install in place of your existing top cover. This new top cover has a built-in iPilot controller that will plug into your control board and link to your wireless remote. It's going to add several GPS features to your motor, from spot lock to autopilot to recording eye tracks that you can play back. So what are the pros and cons? The biggest advantage of CoPilot is that there's two plugins which will allow you to run both your foot pedal and CoPilot remote at the same time. With iPilot, there's only one plugin, so you'd have to pick either the remote or the foot pedal. And depending on the way you fish, this may or may not be a big deal to you to not have a foot pedal. Now, other than the obvious advantage to iPilot for the added GPS features, I'd also give the advantage to iPilot for the remote control. With iPilot, there's several control options. The standard remote will come with a 1.75-inch LCD screen to see all of your controls. You also have the option to add a micro remote if you like the simple, compact design. Or you can even download the Minn Kota app and control your motor from your phone. With CoPilot, the only option is this tiny remote, which some people may like the simplicity of it. Personally, I prefer the larger layout of the iPilot remote. The CoPilot remote feels too small in my hand and the buttons are too close together. So definitely something to keep in mind, especially if you've got bigger hands. So now for the cost. To get the CoPilot system, it's going to run you about $160. And to get a replacement or additional remote would be another $60. The iPilot system is going to run you closer to $500, and an additional remote is going to be anywhere from $110 to $190, depending on if you go with the micro or standard remote. So I hope this helped you make your decision a little bit easier. If you need to see any installation videos on either of these kits, we'll have them linked below. If this video helped you guys, make sure to give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and keep trolling.